You are 69 participants and from 18 to 62 years old. And you are chemists, medical doctor, pharmacists, veterinary, nurses, and also primary care specialists.
This program would be amazing for everyone interested in medicine, and even though the difficulty of the classes is quite extreme, I think it's anyone willing to work and anyone willing to actually study would be a great fit for this program. Anyone curious to learn and anyone curious to innovate and learn about innovations, this would be a great fit for.
The research summer program is for all levels, I can say. We have in my program, we have professionals, we have first year students, and we have master students like me. So it's very nice. It's adapted for all kind of levels. We have people doing their degrees, as I mentioned, and master students. So it's really good to get knowledge for all of us. It's very helpful and it's very useful.
I chose this summer school because when reading the subjects that were going to be discussed, there were some very interesting topics. For example, the people from CEA in Chambéry about the perovskite solar cells challenges and new technologies, and also like the current state of the art in organic solar cells, which is very interesting, and there's other people here working similar topics than me. So for me, it's very good for networking.
I had a really good time at this school. I was able to learn a lot from a lot of academics across Europe as well as Canada, and collaborate with a lot of students here at the Lumamat School. We were able to tour Anjou and have a really good time learning about the city with our colleagues and also making new friends along the way.
Well, I enjoyed the social program. It was very fun. Anjou is a very peaceful and beautiful city. I enjoyed riding the bikes around the city and visiting a lot of monuments here, and also getting to know like the other participants and get to do the cultural exchange and so. So yeah, I think it was a very fun experience.
Oh, definitely. I will recommend this, especially if you have the summer free for yourself. Instead of doing something else, just try this program and you will never regret it.